My name is Dr. Andrew Noble, and I'm one of the partners at Palm Beach Orthopedic Institute. I'm a fellowship-trained joint replacement surgeon that treats hip and knee arthritis. I enjoy the field of joint replacement because it allows me to positively impact someone's life and allow them to return back to mobility in a very short period of time. My practice is unique because it continues to evolve. I've developed a rapid recovery program for joint replacement, and this incorporates both preoperative training and physical therapy, as well as a post-operative opioid-sparing pain control program. I love what I do because it provides a sense of fulfillment and purpose to help someone and make a significant effect in their life. And it's amazing to see a patient go from having stiffness, pain, and limited mobility to being able to walk with minimal discomfort and return back to activities within a couple months of surgery.